Hey guys, Fan TV here, back for another video. This is going to be a diecast review on John Force's 2017 Peak Motor Oil Funny Car. Now this is the first time that I'm reviewing a different diecast that is not a NASCAR diecast. And yes, this is a NASCAR Authentics diecast that came out on Wave 8. I think this is Wave 8. Yeah, it is Wave 8. So I took it out of the box. So let's get started. Let's go over the sponsor, shall we? Okay, so we got Peak Coolant and Motor Oil, Chevy, AAA.com, Blue Death, I don't know what these two sponsors are, and then we got Advanced Auto Parts, Chevrolet, Auto Club, PPG, Peak Coolant and Motor Oil, Bill Deaf, Chevrolet, John Force, I don't know what their sponsor is, Goodyear, Freightliner. Okay, here's gonna get complicated. Let's zoom in. Okay. Herco, I think that is, Simpson, Easy Go, Mac Tools, Magnolia, Clivite, PJ1. I don't know what the sponsor with the, I don't know, Weld, I don't know, Action, refocus, Comp, MSD, TMS, ARP, oh my, okay, CarSpot, Felpro, Mail, oh, E3 spark plugs, Danton sleeves, and NHRA Traxxas, NHRA, Metal Yellow. I think that's the logo of the series. Okay, on the back we got, oh, okay, focus. Okay, focus. Okay. Okay, this thing will focus. There we go. Okay, on the back we got AAA, Blue Death on the spoiler, Blue Death on the top of the spoiler, and we got contingencies in there, which I cannot. Let's see if I can zoom in. Okay, Lincoln Welders, Standard, I don't know, Sunoco, RE Electronics, or I think that stands for Racing Electronics, Chevrolet. Then we got the American logo on the top, and this side is the same as the left. Okay, pretty nice paint scheme. Oh, focus. Pretty nice paint scheme, like it. Do I recommend this car? Well, if you got last year's funny car from the NASCAR Authentics line, I don't think I recommend this car that much. I mean, I did get last year's funny car and I got this one again. I don't know why I got it again. But yeah, let's go over the paint scheme. Okay, so on the front we got like okay, the main color of the paint scheme is blue, and then on the side we got like stripes, or like stripes. We got white stripes and a lighter blue stripe. On the back we got none. On the top we got a white stripe going from the spoiler to the roof. This side also has stripes going to the left. That's basically it. Oh, and also we got rubber tires. I think, yeah, these are rubber tires too. Okay, so that's basically it. So thanks for watching Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. The NHRA Fan TV here, and see you guys later.